Are you guys there? Can you hear me? All right, guys. Back on the live stream here. You guys there? Yeah. Can you guys hear me? Wanted to show a quick little analysis on Chainlink here. We got a 4-hour sell candle that came in at 4 p.m. yesterday. But obviously it's all going to depend on what Bitcoin does. And the weekly on Bitcoin, we got this, looks kind of like a reversal candle to the downside here, but we actually got a green buy dot to come in for next week. So I'm not really seeing any signs of, aside from this big wick here on the weekly, obviously rejecting higher prices here. But no real sell signal that came in on the weekly, as you can see. You can go to Helkin Ashy candles just to kind of get an idea. So not really a lot of selling. All right, guys. I'm not sure if I'm live. Can you guys hear me? Anyone here? Okay, good. All right, let's talk about what the overall coin market cap looks like today. Wow, obviously a big red day. We've had quite a bit of a pullback since we hit the golden retrace at 618, around 14K there. As you can see, we wicked off right into it, and would only be normal for Bitcoin to pull back here. You know, just kind of something. I don't think you guys can see my screen right now. Let me just put that back on. Share that. All right. We go full screen here. I think I've drawn this in my other my Discord for you guys, but basically what I'm seeing on Bitcoin here is something along these lines where we've crossed already, obviously, and we're forming this big triangle. And we take the measured move at the base of this triangle. That's not right. 1 second. Basically about a 442% move from the break. So we just do some, simple 442% puts us right around $24,000 on Bitcoin on this move. So, and then, obviously each level that we've breached, we could see where retracement levels will be. Like 7786 and 618, the 50 retrace, the 382, the 236. Okay. Another thing I want to talk about is the volume. We've seen some pretty drastic volumes over the last last month or two. Obviously that's probably attributed to a lot of institutions buying up Bitcoin before the real media hype starts to set in once Bitcoin breaks 20K, right? So about the cycles of Bitcoin and the boom and bust cycles of Bitcoin. I think I actually posted on my Facebook group a while back. I'll kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. It's obviously not exact because I can't predict the future or what's going to happen with Bitcoin, but where I posted it. I think I posted it back in November. Yeah, right here. I took this from somebody else off TradingView, but you guys kind of get the idea. We had that capitulation. The $2,800 to $3,600 range was the bottom, and now we're kind of in the growth stage of this run. Now this guy obviously has it set to run up to like 170K or like near there. I'm calling on this run just to like the 25K mark. I think was the measured move that I just spoke about. So yeah, so that's what I think is going to end up happening here. I think we're going to run to 25K and then maybe a big correction down to like 15, 16K, wherever those big supports are. And that's all I got to say. All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining me, and we'll talk next time. Sorry, guys. I dumped it out. All right, so I guess I got Hangouts to work now. You guys want to see? What did you guys lose? Yes, there is definitely market manipulation in this Arash 088. All right, Arash 088. What do you want to see? On what time scale? Yeah, I know on the chart, but what time scale? All right, we'll look at a 4-hour. Daily chart? All right, look at a daily chart. All right, well, I mean, if you get a candle close below the 20-day moving average, which is like 10,000, then it's going to test the 50, which is at around 9K. Yeah, so far it's hugging that pretty good. That mid tier right there, that trend. Oh yeah, let's look at Facebook real quick, huh? Here's your cup. It's not right. How's that negative 43%? All right. 77% on this move, brother. Yes, sir. Probably see it better on a monthly. See how it's respecting that 75% retrace. ATH was 218.62, yeah. $218.62. So your common retrace zones are anywhere in here. So it can go anywhere in this range. Price action can reverse. BTC is not a common asset or a normal asset, obviously. BTC is a fucking use my language. YouTube don't ban me. Yeah, BTC. That monthly candle close is obviously higher than the previous month, so I don't know. Chainlink. Let's look at USD coin Chainlink. Oh my god, this thing is freaking out of control. No man, it wicked up to $4 obviously, and then wicked to 454. I think I had like a whole measured move on this. Yeah. There you go, 228% measured move out of this rising wedge. So that is right around $7.30 to measured move on Chainlink. So sick. BNB USD. Retest will probably be, I say like 280, 285. Probably bounce right on the 20-day moving average. Neo looking pretty good. First, what do you want to see, USD or BTC pair? All right, we'll use Bitfinex. I think they have the most data. Go weekly. Wow, this thing got murdered, absolutely destroyed. All right, so your swing high. Let's just call this your swing low, right? So it hasn't even retraced. We can't even call this a swing low yet. USD. Yeah, your first target on Neo is $51. Common retrace area on Neo is anywhere in this range. Anywhere from $80 to $125. Yep. But if Bitcoin decides to keep rallying away from all the alts, then ETH is like 4x the bottom, 4x's bottom, I think. ETH was $80 bottom. Dude, ETH chart is insane. EOS bottom, I think, was $1.50. $1.50. Yeah. Looks like the EOS is going to bounce off the 236 here, around 550, which is right where that 50-day moving average is. I don't know. I don't really like EOS. What else? Litecoin? Litecoin, obviously, the best performer. This thing doesn't even dip. Look at it. Just doesn't even dip. Touch the 20-day. No, Litecoin's bottom was 22 bucks. Litecoin's bottom was 22. Yeah, it's not going to go below 100 bucks for sure. December 18, basically this year, yeah. For January, it's low. The January low was, yeah, like 40 bucks maybe. Yeah. J-Nug, man. Stupid trade that I didn't take. Such an idiot. Now, this is a trade I should be taking. Cron. 3-day buy-in. Weekly buy hasn't come in yet. Look at this. Look at this shenanigans. 500% on this move once it busts out of this wedge. 500% from the break. $168 stock. Yeah. That's a good question. Amazon. Wow, look at this freaking shit, dude. $1,500% from this wedge. Oh my god. 1,500% once it breaks out of this, dude. 1,500%. $37,000 stock. That's absurd. Two thousand one. So stupid. That is some stupid stuff right there. Oh, let's just get a fib channel. I just want to see what this looks like. Oh my god, man. Look at it. It's not even near it. It's like oh my god. Dude, there's some crazy fireworks going on here right now. No, it's fireworks. Yeah. Amazon, man. My god. There's another weed stock for you, ACB. This thing, high and tight flag. Look at the Dow, actually. I don't know what to see what that chart looks like. Parachronic movement, man. Not even know how you draw this, dude. Just like this. Anchor points on the top. There you go. Got to get above this 50% retrace. It's going to do it. I think the measured move on this is, for this is trend, it's like 70%. See what the weekly looks like. Nah, the weekly's a buy, dude. This thing's gonna break out probably this week. If we get a candle close, it already got. If we get a candle close above 26,943, it's gonna go to this 1618, which is 30K, obviously. Let's look at the total crypto market cap. Yeah, I don't really want to draw all this shenanigans out. Yep. It wicked up to almost 2 trillion though. Look at that wick. This is a big bull flag, man. My God. Holy shit. $5,340%. My God, that's absurd. This is where the next cycle is going to take us, dude. What is this? Is that trillions? The whole crypto market, whole crypto market. That's just the move of this pennant. Yeah. Here's the Bitcoin dominance. Probably take a look at that. God, look at this wick. This thing wicked down to 9, not even 1%. We're approaching the 50% retrace. I think it's going to have trouble right up here at 72%. But yeah, this looks like a classic like inverse head and shoulders pattern. It's just probably just goes like right back up. Yeah, but BTC is kind of just stabilizing right now in this range. So I think the alts are actually going to, some of the alts are probably going to catch up. The ones that are obviously sought after. Look, XRP up 6.8%. Quant, I don't know. fucking told Capizani to get into a trade on this at like $6. Man, this thing is roofing, man. Fuck me. Yeah, I think I even had it all drawn out too. Yep, sure did. Nailed the 618. Crazy. All right, I'm gonna get off. Well, Arash088, thanks for joining and providing your input.